Welcome to Elle's Nails, where it doesn't take $1,000,000 for your nails to look like $1,000,000. I'm naked! Oh, and it doesn't look pretty. Yes. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to repair my broken thumb. It seems to happen this time of year every year. So I wanted to show you guys what I got here, including fur. So here's the break. Once again, same spot as last year. And it goes, it's just broken there, but you can see that it could go all the way down to the end there. So I'm going to start by clipping these nails shorter so that we don't have as much to work with. So I'm just going to use my clippers and carefully clip my nails. Yowzer, that sort of smarts a little bit. Alright, so I'm gonna clip all my nails and I will be back after that. Okay, so I got all my nails cut now, and they're nice and short. So the next thing to do would be file. Now, not everybody's nails are the same, and no two people's nails are the same. Some people have hard nails that you want a rough edge to it in order to file, and some people have thinner nails. I have kind of a mid-range, but it's a little bit hard. So I prefer the emery board. I know that some people say it's the devil, but I get it filed pretty quickly this way. And of course you want to go, you don't want to go back and forth. You want to curve with your nail to do the filing. So that we don't get a bunch of layers of nail, because your nail is a bunch of layers. So I'm just going to file, I'm not filing it completely down. I am just sort of shaping it with the emery board. So I'm going to do that, including my thumb, which is the horrible break. I will be back once again. Alright, now after that's filed, I take a file sponge. This one's actually pretty much had it. Hang on, let me see if I can find a new one. Alright, here we are, a polar block. So this is not as rough an edge, it's kind of a fine sandpaper, and that I'm going to use to finish off my nails, smooth everything out. And I've already pushed back my cuticles for the most part. I just see a little bit here and there. So I'm not going to do that on camera, but because as soon as I take off my polish, I always clean out my cuticles as I go, because there's always some nail polish still in there. So you treat that the same you would any other file, and I'm going to finish off my nails with this small block, and I will be right back once again. Okay, so I got my nails all filed down and everything, and my cuticles are all pushed back. So now let's deal with this thumb a little bit more. So I'm going to get some rubbing alcohol. I probably would get I have a 50 here because that's what they had at the dollar store, but I would probably say a 70 would probably be better. You could go 90, I don't know. So we're just going to wipe off all our nails with this rubbing alcohol. Make sure there's no more dust or debris or, look at that, it's stuck in there, or oils or anything on our nails. Dry it out. This is a long one today, just so you know now. We will get to the water marbling later. I didn't mention that before, but it's in the title. Alright, so I am going to put some nail glue on this now. Just your regular nail glue, in a brush form, of course. So I'm just going to put a single coat on here just to get it to hold down a little bit. And that is really the only thing I'm going to do with this break differently than any other nail. So after that, I'm going to put a gel polish, a actual gel with a lamp polish, on my thumb. And I found out, I forgot I bought a white gel polish. So I'm going to paint all my nails white actually, because we're going to do some water marbling. But I'm going to get to be able to water marble my thumb as well. I'll have the gel polish as a base coat. And then if I do decide to change my nails next week, if I do decide to change my thumb, I'll just use acetone-free nail polish remover, and the white will still be on there as my base. So I'm going to let my nail glue dry though, and I am going to put primer. I use the Sally's Primer Beauty Secret base coat. So I'm going to put that base coat on all of my nails except, of course, my thumb. So I'm going to paint this, and I will be back once again. Okay, my thumb should be dry now. So what I'm going to do next is I am going to use this base coat that is part of the gel polish, and I am going to apply that to my thumb. And the important thing with actual gel polish is that you make sure that you don't have any on your skin before you cure it, or else it's gonna stay there. So I want to wipe that off with my cleanup brush. And you don't have to dip it in acetone for this. I'm going to wipe that off. And I cure it for 2 minutes with my blue light that doesn't reach all the way over here because the cord is so tiny. Alright. So I'm going to cure that for 2 minutes. And then I'm going to apply the top coat, or the colored coat, which will be a white color. And I'll probably need 2 or 3 coats of that. So I'll be back as soon as I get this all cured. Okay, got my thumb painted white, and look at that, my other nails are white too. For my other nails, I used my Broadway regular nail polish, And now I'm going to apply a top coat of the gel polish. That's base. This is the top coat. No wipe top coat. I'm going to apply that just to the gel polish one, not my other nails. My other nails don't need a top coat yet. So, same as you would with the colored polish. We're going to apply the gel polish. And this will harden everything nice and thick. Make sure that everything is cleaned off. Alright, so now I'm going to cure that, and that's creating a very nice shell around my nail that'll keep it nice and secure until my break grows out. And by Christmas, probably, once again, I should have a thumb. So I'm going to cure that, and then we're going to come back and we're going to do some water marbling.